Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a portable SunPower solar panel system by a company called LMENGER. This is the box that it comes in, just a plain old box. And then once you open it up, you are going to get two little D-rings in case you want to attach it to a tent or a tree or something like that. You also will get a little adapter here for a USB to USB Type-C that you can plug if you need it. And then you get the solar panel itself. And as you can see, it's all folded up here. It is super compact, which one of the reasons I like this is you can easily throw it in a bag or a backpack. So if you are going for a hike or you're going camping, it's very easy to bring this with you, and then that way you can charge up your devices. So it will work with charging up your cell phone, a tablet, a flashlight. If you have a fan, you can bring that along with you. It can use to charge up a power bank, so it's very versatile. All the charging is done right here in the little kind of adapter brick part. Behind this little rubber door is a USB Type-C connection point. So that's where the adapter comes in. Most of the devices are going to Type-C connection, but if you do have an older device, you can plug this in and then it just is a USB on the other side. But one of the cool things about this little guy, see, it's magnetic, so it keeps it all nice and closed for traveling. To give you an idea of the size of this folded, it's approximately 11 inches by 8 inches by 1 inch in thickness, and the 1 inch is actually to the top adapter here. As you can see, the adapter is almost as thick as the panels itself. But now I'll unfold the panels here, and it has 4 little pieces right like so. You can see here on the ends is where you would be able to go ahead and hook it up. Now, as soon as it gets sun, you'll start noticing the light will turn on here, and it's glowing green. This thing's got an IP67 weather resistance because it has this nice coating on here. It's got this what's called an ETFE coating, and so what that basically is doing is this can get wet, it can be snowed on, it can get dirty. It's super easy to wipe up and clean. It says that coating type instead of just, I guess, traditional other coatings, basically gives it a better conversion rate when it's converting that sun on the solar panels. So it can withhold up to water. You can even put this in a stream. The only thing that you don't want to submerge is the control panel itself. That is not designed to get submerged. It does have this little plastic piece here, or rubber piece I should say, to help kind of keep water from getting in the components, but this is not meant to go underwater. So just be careful with that aspect of it. Now, this solar panel itself does do a, it has a QC 3.0 charging chip in it, and so what that's going to do, it's going to automatically optimize depending on your device. It can do 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, charging up to with 3 amps. So depending on your device, it will go ahead and make sure it is charging optimally, and so it's not going to overcharge that device for you. So it's going to adjust the current essentially. Now, unfolded, to give you an idea of the size, it's still 11 inches across, and then it's unfolds to 31.25 inches in length. If you include the charger itself here on the end, that moves it up to about 35 inches itself. Totally, it weighs about 2 pounds. It's in weight if you're carrying this around. But overall, it's a great little charger. Like I said, if you're in the market, you do like to go camping a lot, or you're looking for something in your emergency kit to make sure you always have your devices powered in the tech world we live in, I think this is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.